Good morning everyone and welcome back to a decentralized bull channel. Today we are going to talk about the Bitcoin price, Ethereum price and major altcoins and what I think will happen in the market right now. We dipped yesterday below the $39,000. It went to 38,510. The market start pumping again. So let's take a look at the charts real quick and see what the technicals are telling us. Right here, let's go to Bitcoin real quick and see what the price is doing. So we can see yesterday we broke down of this rectangle here, this bear flag formation here with the price target of $36,000. Yesterday we even broke down the bigger rectangle here. We're trying to get back in just now, but it seems like the market is still not strong enough because we had a bounce from 38,500 and as you can see we had the red line already there at 38,500 even before we talked about it. And we can see this line here was a major support because of the technical analysis. We see we had the big resistance here and in the past also, so that's why this line is a very important line, 38,500. We had a bit of a pump from there, but in my opinion I think we are gonna reject from the bottom of this channel. If not, we can continue to go up. If we're gonna break the $41,000, then we can see some higher price targets. We need definitely to create first a higher high here around this price area right here. So we need to break the $41,500 so we can create a higher high here. After that we can expect higher price targets. Before that we are still in a downtrend here, as you can see guys. Here was the top and here we have just lower highs and lower highs and lower highs and lower lows. So this means we are now in a downtrend. So the trend is your friend until the end, so don't forget it. So now we have to wait until we're gonna create at least two higher highs until we can tell the market is starting to go up again. We also have Grayscale selling almost every day $1 billion worth of BTC from their GBTC trust. So you need to be very careful. The market is still very volatile. A lot of people are getting liquidated or wrecked on these big wicks and big volatile price changes. So you need to be prepared for that. Don't use too much leverage. Don't trade with more than you can afford to lose, and make sure you always use proper stop loss and proper stop profit. So my targets for Bitcoin are $36,000. Still didn't change a lot unless we are going to create a new higher high. After that I can look for more bullish price targets. Until then I think the market is still up for a little bit of a retracement or correction. Let's see, we had some volume the past couple days. Let me quickly see if I have the volume bar here. I don't have it, I only have the RSI. RSI is almost bottoming down, so we have a double bottom on the RSI. This is a bullish, very bullish indicator. So let's see, maybe we can start going up again, but in my opinion I think we will see the $36,000 or worst case scenario the $32,000. Now let's quickly go and take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum also dumped a lot from 2,700 down to 2,150, exactly the support line that we've drawn for months already. So this was a big resistance before 2,150 and it turned into a support zone. So let's see if Ethereum will manage to hold the support zone here. It's a very strong one. So let's see, the next support zone would be 2,025. Let's see if we will manage to hold that, or we will even see lower prices like 1,800. Let's see. I'm looking forward. I'm gonna accumulate more during these dips, and you need to be very careful because a lot of projects deep down a lot on this correction here. So you can see, let me quickly show you some other ones, like ADA dipped a lot, I think from 70 cents. 70 cents was the top, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 68 cents, and now we're back at 45. So quite a big dip, around 25%, 30%. So you need to be very careful. Let's actually pull out the measurement tool and see what happened here. Yeah, 32% dip. It's quite strong. But if you catch the dip now and it's gonna go to the same, you can make 46%. So that's what I like about dips. You know, it dips a lot and then you can even make more gains. That's why you can accumulate more, get better entry prices, and then you can make even more gains. Me myself, I'm looking to buy some more Chainlink, and Chainlink is almost going down to our target here at $13 a piece. Here I'm gonna add more to my trade. or open some new ones. My stop loss, I think, is already in the profit zone. So if it's gonna hit my stop profit, then I'm gonna make some new orders down below here at $13. I'm very bullish on Chainlink, and Chainlink right now, unfortunately, with this dip, we created a lower low here, which is not so nice. Before, Chainlink was only going up, you only had higher lows and higher highs, so quite nice. But now it looks like it also went into the downtrend like the whole market did. Now let's see, S&P is at an all-time high, guys. Congratulations to all the stock traders and the investors in the stock market. S&P at an all-time high. Congratulations to all of you. Facebook, Google, Meta, all of the big ones are doing very well on this, so you need to be very careful. We can also retrace down a bit because we are at an all-time high on the S&P. So let's see what will happen with that. Is the market going to retrace, or is the stock market still going to go up? It's also very important. Besides that, what other interesting token, we have AVAX here, and AVAX was very nice yesterday. I said it's going to dip down to 25. It went down to 27. It can go to 25 or even lower to like 24. So let's see if that will happen or not. Besides that, I want to tell you how to survive dips like this. So the most important thing is don't be too over leveraged. The other most important thing, don't buy at FOMO prices, because you could see like even Arbitrum, I think, went to like $2.40 and now it's sitting on $1.60. So if you would have bought at $2.40, then you probably are at a 40% loss right now. So you need to be very careful when you buy and how you take profits. Always use proper stop profits, so you cannot lose your gains. And always when you buying altcoins and it doubles, then take half of it and put it into Bitcoin at a safe storage. Now, very important for you to don't freak out, keep your calm. The market's still gonna go up. 30% dips are very normal on the Bitcoin market, and it also brings a lot of opportunities because you can buy altcoins and Bitcoin at a discount. So make sure you take advantage of this opportunity. If you're a professional trader, down below there is a $30,000 bonus from Bybit and a $20,000 from Mexi. And Mexi, you don't even need KYC to use it, so make sure you check that out. And don't forget to take profits. Bye bye.